So this is the process of me making it. So I'm working with people through the process. You know that I built this myself from ground up. I did everything. So, but so what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to collect this data. I'm able to design these things, I think, weeks back. So I'm trying to collect the data now, the total. So be able to plot against months. So that's what I'm doing. That's the only thing that's holding me not be able to put this thing and start doing an advert to it, because I need you to be able to get um your monthly data so I know how you perform in each of the categories in a month. So that's what I've been doing. So all these things I'm trying to display is the progress bar. If this figure is filled up, this part is going to be filled with something. So I have to clear it. That's what I'm doing. So I just had to, I'm able to design the dashboard if you look very see it there, but I'm trying to design another dashboard that shows monthly performance, not just necessarily yearly or general. So that is why this thing is very important to me. And I'm doing it. I'm in September actually. I just decided to record this video as proof of I did it. You know, these days you have to show what you're doing, everything you're doing. So I'm going to upload this particular video somewhere, maybe on YouTube, and we'll have it there. So just let me walk you through the process. So I have to clear this. If not, it's going to be filled with, it's going to repeat the progress bar. And I think the limit is 31. And then this one can go up to 100 because it's the total of this down to this point. So that's what I'm doing. So that's what I'm doing. So when I'm done, there's a particular sheet that's in sheet 4 that collects the whole data. So I'm coming there. That's what you saw me do earlier. A53. See that is 31 here. So if the only way to make it to be there is for me to multiply it with like a very larger number, 31, 30 times how many possible 30s that we can get from here? That's not what I want to do today. It's not really relevant since the other part is showing it. So yeah, summation of these cells down to the cells. So when you're done, we come to this dashboard. This is the second dashboard. So we're going to have two dashboard. The second dashboard and now collect those total from every month. So I hope you understand now. So very soon I'm going to do a bar chart, a pie chart, and a line chart that can collect this month, how you perform in this month. This month say that the only we're in January, this particular one is for me. So in January, and these are the things that I know that I've been able to accomplish with it. You see, this is February, so there ought to be zero. Do you understand? So that's all for this part. I hope you've seen what I'm doing. Thank you.